Welcome to your guided breathwork meditation in nature. If you'd like to practice outside today, you're more than welcome to. Or get comfy on your bed or your couch, on the floor, wherever it is that you'd like to be in your practice today. There's nothing to see, nothing to do. Just allow your breath to guide you today. And as we tune in to the feeling and sensations, the sounds of nature, allow yourself to soften, to release, and let go. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Big breath in through your nose. And out through your mouth. And as you keep this breath going in and out of your body, arrive here with me. Arrive in this space. Arrive in your body. Arrive with your breath. Find yourself laying in a beautiful green, grassy field. Warm sun hitting your face and your skin. Blue skies. White clouds. And birds chirping in the trees. Allowing your breath, the slowness and softness of your breath to enter you with space and expansion, creating room in your body. And letting those exhales carry out whatever it is that you'd like to send back to Mother Earth. Feeling your face soften with every breath. Relax your eyes. Relax your ears and your cheeks. Relax. Relax your lips. Relax your neck and your throat. Relax. It's okay to let go. You are safe, you're supported, you are grounded. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your forearms, all the way down to your fingertips. Relax, breathing in. And out. Relax your upper back and your chest. Let go. Sending back into the earth any heaviness, any tension, any tightness in the body. Exhale. Relax your lower back and your hips. Relax your belly. Relax your thighs, your knees, your calves, your shins, all the way down to your feet. Relax. And in this moment of pure surrender, take a deep breath into your body, cleansing every single cell in your body, feeling that space. And exhale, surrender just a little bit more. Allowing your body to be supported wherever you are. breath to guide you. Relaxing down your face, your shoulders, your heart. Relax your belly, let go. You begin to feel the sunlight right above you, beaming its glorious rays right into your face, into your eyes, onto your skin, and it feels amazing. This light begins to travel under your skin, into your molecules, into your organs, spinning, spiraling open every single cell in your body, filling you up with warmth and a yellow light. From the top of your head, your face, down your arms, your body, down to your legs, a golden bright light filling up your entire body, recalibrating, re-energizing, releasing. On this next breath, seal in this light into your body. Receive. Make this light bigger and bigger and brighter and more expansive, and hold this energy here. Hold. And release, let go. Letting it all go. And taking a deep breath into your nose and out to your mouth. Begin to come back. Gently wiggling your toes and your fingers, moving your ankles, taking a nice stretch to the side, up and around, blinking your eyes open.